In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add group members in Confluence. This is particularly useful when you need to manage your team's access to different spaces effectively. We'll walk through each step to ensure that you have a seamless experience. To get started, make sure you're on your Confluence homepage. Look for the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to the vast array of administrative settings available in Confluence. Clicking on it will open a new menu where you'll find the User Management option. This is your next stop. Once you're in the User Management section, you'll see a few different settings related to users and their permissions. What you need to focus on here is the Groups section, which you'll want to click on next. Groups in Confluence help you efficiently manage multiple users who need similar permissions. By grouping users, you can easily control access to certain pages or spaces without having to configure settings for each individual user. After clicking on Groups, you should see a list of all the groups currently set up in your Confluence instance. Now, to see more about a particular group, you'll want to click on Show Details. This option gives you insight into the current members and allows you to make changes, such as adding new people to the group. Now comes the part where you actually add new members to the group. You'll find an option that says Add Group Members. Click on it to open the Member Edition interface. Here, you can search for new members by either their name or email address. This feature makes it easy to ensure that you're adding the right person, especially in large organizations where multiple users might have similar names. Once you've located the correct user, simply click on Add Users to finalize your changes. This action will instantly include them in the group, granting them all the permissions that the group carries. It's always a good practice to review these permissions to make sure they align with what the new members need access to. Adding users to groups is a fundamental skill for efficiently managing user access in Confluence, and it contributes to organized and secure project management. Be sure to revisit these steps whenever you need to add new members so that the process remains quick and second nature. By mastering these steps, you're setting your team up for seamless collaboration and efficient management of your Confluence spaces. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.